Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Trends Today, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. From the latest luxury rides to high-performance beasts, we've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the newest cars hitting the road. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury and performance with the 2024 Mercedes-AMG S63 E-Performance, the epitome of sophistication and power. This hybrid sedan from Mercedes-Benz's AMG division blends cutting-edge technology, opulence, and earth-shaking performance into one irresistible package. Let's break it down. The S63 takes the already stunning Mercedes S-Class and adds an aggressive AMG touch. Up front, you'll notice the Panamericana grille with vertical slats, flanked by sleek, LED digital light headlamps. The muscular front bumper features larger rear intakes, emphasizing its sporty character. The profile is all about elegance, with its long wheelbase and clean lines. AMG-specific alloy wheels, ranging up to 21 inches, enhance the visual drama. At the rear, you get quad exhaust outlets, a subtle diffuser, and a spoiler lip, all signaling that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's the perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The Nappa leather upholstery is complemented by AMG-specific details, like sport seats and aluminum or carbon fiber trims. The MBUX infotainment system is front and center, featuring a massive OLED touchscreen, augmented reality navigation, and customizable AMG displays. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with reclining seats, ambient lighting, and optional executive seating packages. The S63 is as much about comfort as it is about speed. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2024 S63 is powered by a 4.0-liter V8 turbo engine, paired with the 204 horsepower electric motor, making this a plug-in hybrid. Combined, the system delivers an eye-watering 791 horsepower and 1,055 pounds-feet of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels via the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring impeccable grip in all conditions. The result, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds. The S63 also features multiple driving modes, including electric mode for silent cruising and Sport Plus mode for unleashing its full potential. The electric range is about 21 miles, making it practical for short trips without using a drop of fuel. Mercedes has equipped the S63 with AMG Ride Control Plus suspension, which combines air springs and adaptive dampers for the ultimate blend of comfort and precision. There's also the AMG Active Roll Stabilization, keeping the car flat and stable during high-speed cornering. For stopping power, the S63 features AMG high-performance brakes with optional carbon ceramic discs for enhanced durability during spirited driving. The S63 is packed with advanced tech. Highlights include driver assistance package with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Rear axle steering, which enhances maneuverability in tight spaces and stability at high speeds. Burmester 4D surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. Mercedes also includes an impressive suite of safety features, ensuring peace of mind whether you're on the highway or in the city. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG S63 starts at around $180,000, but fully loaded, it can exceed $200,000. For that price, you're getting a car that redefines what a luxury sedan can be, combining supercar performance with limousine-like comfort. Whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up the track, the S63 is a car that does it all in style. That's a wrap on the 2024 Mercedes-AMG S63 E-Performance. What do you think about this luxury performance hybrid? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Trends Today for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next one.